AWS Domain Configuration. Description: Configuring DNS for AWS resources. This involves setting up and managing DNS records within Amazon Route 53, a highly scalable and reliable DNS service offered by AWS. Prerequisites: Route 53 hosted zone, a container within Route 53 that holds all the DNS records for a specific domain. You will need to create a hosted zone for your domain before you can configure DNS settings. Domain Registrar: a service like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains where you registered your domain name. You will need to update your DNS settings at your domain registrar to point to your Route 53 hosted zone. Use cases: Hosting websites. You can use Route 53 to host websites by creating records that map your domain name to the IP address of your web server. Creating email addresses. You can create email addresses for your domain by using Route 53 to create MX records that point to your email server. Setting up SSL certificates. Route 53 can be used to manage the DNS records required for obtaining and using SSL certificates, providing secure communication over the Internet. Steps: Create a Route 53 hosted zone. Go to the Route 53 console and create a new hosted zone for your domain name. This will create a container for managing DNS records for your domain. Add records to the hosted zone within your hosted zone. Add the necessary DNS records: A records, MX records, CNAME records, etc. to map your domain name to the relevant resources: web servers, email servers, etc. Update DNS settings at your domain registrar at your domain registrar's website. Update the DNS settings to point to your Route 53 hosted zone. This process typically involves changing the name servers for your domain. Challenges and fixes: Incorrect DNS settings. Mistakes in setting up DNS records can cause connectivity issues. Verify settings at both Route 53 and your domain registrar. Double-check the DNS records within your Route 53 hosted zone and the settings at your domain registrar. Ensure all records are correctly configured and consistent between both locations. DNS propagation issues: It can take some time for changes to DNS records to propagate across the Internet. Wait for DNS changes to propagate. Allow sufficient time, typically between 24 and 72 hours, for the DNS changes to update across all DNS servers. You can use online DNS propagation checkers to monitor the process. Conflicts with existing records: Existing DNS records within your Route 53 hosted zone or at your domain registrar can conflict with the new settings you are trying to implement. Check for existing records and adjust accordingly. Review the existing DNS records within your Route 53 hosted zone and at your domain registrar. Identify any conflicts and update the records accordingly. If needed, remove or modify existing records to ensure they don't interfere with the new configuration.